Hello and welcome to CRA Diecast on another unboxing. Thanks for dropping by today. Just want to give a big shout out to some new subscribers that have joined the channel. Thanks very much for your support, it's really appreciated. Almost up to 500 subs now, so that's an awesome achievement. On today's video I was out and about and I called into a second-hand store, and I did find this 1961 Lincoln Continental convertible by Sunstar, and it was reasonably priced, so I picked it up and will add it to my Lincoln collection, which is quite substantial now. So we'll just crack him out of the box, if we can open it carefully. Slides out. Oh, it's in a nice gloss black. Oh, it's got the convertible top and some sort of gold medallion. Gee, it looks really nice. So I'll crack him open. Oh, okay. Gently take it out. See the medallions. Okay, wow, that's the top. I think it looks better with the top removed. Oh, it's got the suicide doors, opening hood, yep, and opening trunk. Wow, that's really nice. Got wood grain accents on the doors, black and white. Well, in the day it would have been leather interior. Spare tyre in the boot. Wow, that instrument panel is gorgeous. Wood rim steering wheel, wood accents on the dashboard. All the power controls on the armrests. And it's even got the power seat controls. And a beautifully finished engine compartment. 430 cubic inch V8. Wow, it's stunning. Nice gloss black. And from the front, nicely finished grille, inserted headlamps, and front wheels turn with the steering wheel. From the back, nicely chromed panel, and the Lincoln Star in the middle, which is the fuel filler release. Nice real brake lamp details. Yeah, this is gorgeous model. Sun visors. Yeah, I've done an awesome job on this one. I'll just put the roof on. From underneath, twin exhaust, twin mufflers, posable front wheels. Yeah, gorgeous. See the Lincoln Star in between the rear seat headrests. Yeah, beautiful car. The Kennedy car. I'll just pop that roof on. I think it looks better with the top down. Oh yeah, so that was my little find today. If you appreciate this video, hit the thumbs up and share and subscribe. It really does help the channel and helps me get to 500 subs, which would be great. So thanks very much, and we'll catch you on a future video. Bye for now.